Hello everyone. Previously, we have written the first Java program, right? Hello world. Next, today we'll be continuing with the variables as well as the data types. So, what are variables? Variables in the Java store the data of different types, such as whether it may be integers, floating point numbers, characters, and strings, which is very crucial for the dynamic data manipulation. So we'll see this one with the example so you can understand it clearly. So let me come here. Let me right click, hover on new, click on Java class. Right here, I'll be giving the name. Variable example. Right? Just hit enter. Here, this is nothing but we have defined a public class named variable example. Next, we have to define the main method, right? I'll just come here. Let me type public static void main. Inside this one, I'll be giving string as well as arguments. This is nothing but main method. Initially, what we'll do, we'll declare the integer variable named my number and initialize it with the value 5. I'll just give int my number. I'll just take this one 5. So we'll be making use of some variables, right? Next, we'll declare the double variable named my double and initialize it with the value, some value, right? We'll be doing the same with character, char, boolean as well as the string, different data types. I'll just make use of the double. I'll just give the variable named my double and I'll initialize some random value. I'll just give 5.99. So I'll just make use of the char. For the string, I'll just give the variable name my char and I'll just assign the value within the string. For the string, we'll be making use of the double inverted comma or the single inverted comma. So let me make use of the single inverted comma instead. This should work as well. Right? So here we had made use of the int and the variable name my number in data type, double floating point. This is basically integers. Double is nothing but the floating point integer. This one character nothing but the string. We have for the strings we will be writing the characters within this thing, double inverted comma or the single inverted comma. Next, data will be making use of boolean and will be giving the variable name my bool. Let's set this one to true. Boolean value is we have to make use of either true or false. Next, let me make use of the string. Do anything wrong here? So yeah, here, wait, this is not taken here. So here, now let me give string my text equals, let me just give hello, right? What we have done, we have declared a string variable named my text and we have initialized that one with the value hello, right? Let's print the variables, right? After this one, I'll just comment this one. Print the variables. So how to print the variables? Let's make use of the system out print, right? I'll just give s out. So why this is not taking? Do I need to print? Let me type instead system dot right. Within this one, what I'll do, I'll just come here. Within this one, I'll just give integer So after this, what I'll do, let's concatenate and print the integer with the value of my number. What the value we have given here. My number, we have assigned this one to 5, right? So I'll just give my number, right? I'll just copy the same thing 4 more times. I'll just come here, less 4 more time, right? Instead of the integer, I'll just give here double. Also change from my number to my double. This one, right? Just let me copy this one and let me paste it over here. Here, instead of the integer, I'll just give character. Let me come here, copy this one and paste it over here. Also, let me copy this one. Let me delete this one. Instead of integer, I'll just give boolean. Let me paste my bool over here. Finally, instead of integer, let me give string, and here instead of my number, I'll just give the variable name my text, nothing but this one, right? So this is it. What we have done, we have concatenated, we have concatenated and we are printing the integer with the value of my number, double, character, boolean, as well as the string. In short, we are printing the variables, right? I'll just come here and click on, let's run this code, right? Let's wait for some time. So yeah, here it is saying Java distant semicolon except. Where? Yeah, here, right? We have missed the semicolon. Let me minimize this one. Let's run this one again. So yeah, now you can see integer 5, double 5.99, whatever the values that we have given here, character D, boolean true, and string hello. So yeah, everything is working properly. This is it. Next, we'll be going with basic operators, right? This is it for now. Thanks for watching, guys.